With the most toys coming at you, and since it is now time for Avengers Endgame, and I'm a week late getting things out, but I thought you guys might like to see a tutorial of an Infinity Gauntlet that fits your construction figures, either custom or Star Wars. You can have Darth Vader wipe out half the universe without the use of the Force, or so forth. So I'm going to just show you how you can build this, and it'll hook on to your custom or your existing superhero Star Wars construction figures, and you can snap things in and out of existence. So let's show you the parts you're going to need, and let's get building. So these are the parts you're going to need, so zoom in here if you need to right now, and pause the video if you need to as well, and go get these parts. You're going to need a few common parts and a few uncommon parts, but if you're into Bionicle building or CCBS building, and you have lots of gold pieces around, you probably have all this stuff around anyway. So take a second, go grab everything, and let's start building. Okay, so basically you can see here all the parts we are going to need. And the first thing, we've got, of course, this Bionicle or Hero Factory Gauntlet. And you're going to take this shield kind of piece, go to the second peg hole and the first peg hole, and peg it in like that. Also gives you your first Infinity Stone in the center right there. From here, we are going to take the evil robot arm in gold and put it on the first hand or the first finger like this. From here, take a piece with a clip and put the studs facing the floor on the second finger, one on the third, one on the fourth. Okay? So you can see it's already taking shape. We're then going to flip things over, and you are going to put one by one gold dot, two 1 by 1 gold dots, the same on the third finger, and one on the last, like so. Okay, then you're going to take your gold cones, put one on top of here, one on top of here, one on top of here. Okay, and now you have basically the fingers and the hands. Okay, you're going to flip over. Just before we flip over, we're going to take this small socket and ball piece and put it in like that so it can connect to your CCBS figure's hand. So you can see it's already coming along quite nicely. So from here, we're just going to bejewel it and get all our Infinity Stones. As I said, this gold one right here makes number 1. You're going to take this T-joint piece and you're going to put it in the other hole, but don't push it all the way down. Just kind of push it in like that. And what we're going to do then is we're going to take one of the pieces with the hook and then another one and put them into this grill piece like this, and do that twice. Okay. Then we've done it twice, and then we can do the stones. So once we get that over, so what do we have? We have a purple stone first, I think, and then there's blue for the knuckle stones. And then the other one, I think we have orange and red, if I can remember correctly. Okay. And then you're left with that green lighted piece that looks a bit different. Okay. Stay still. Okay, it has a little piece on there. So you're going to take your Infinity Gauntlet and you're going to insert that green one into what will be the thumb, like that. And then you're going to take the blue ones and put them on, clip it in first, maybe, there we go, like that, first knuckle. And then to get the other two knuckle stones, knuckle heads, just going to clip them in like that. And there you have your Infinity Gauntlet with movable fingers for your CCBS figures. So let me get a CCBS figure and show you what it looks like. So maybe we'll get Luke Skywalker or something. He doesn't need the Force. He has an Infinity Gauntlet. Okay, so hang on. Here we are back with Luke. Here's our Infinity Gauntlet. So all you want to do is you want to pull off the ball jointed hand and then the part we put on there, right? I'm just gonna snap that on. Instead, snap that on. Haha, I said snap. Isn't that funny? Okay, well, we lost a finger, but that's okay. Alright, so Luke, you no longer need the power of the Force. You have an Infinity Gauntlet. So snap that Dark Force user out of the way. So there you see how it works. Pretty simple. You can't see me. Yes, I can. Snap, snap, snap. Okay, guys. That's how you build an Infinity Gauntlet for your CCBS figures. Hope this inspires you to build your own creations. Look out for some superhero CCBS customs coming very soon. We'll talk to you soon, everyone. Happy building, and take care.